In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best money-making websites for cryptocurrency that I'm using right now. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. So this is going to be the first website I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video, and this is not going to be in any order. So the first one is going to be Larva Faucet. Now the reason why I like Larva Faucet is because there's multiple ways you can start earning cryptocurrency on this one website alone, and I'm going to be showing you a cool way you can earn money passively with this website, guys. So at the beginning, it will take some upfront work, pretty much like clicking on URL links right here, short URL links. So you pretty much just go on this tab right here, and you have the options of clicking on all of these actual websites and earning hundreds of coins every single time you click on one of these buttons. So you can just click on short URL links, and on top of that, guys, you can click on PTC ads, which is going to be pretty much the same thing. You just have to stay on these websites or these links for at least 10 seconds to earn 100 tokens. Now I'm going to show you something really cool with these tokens, guys, and how easy it is to get around 4,000 or 5,000 tokens passively for doing absolutely nothing. And this does not involve referrals. This does not involve a lot of hard work and labor. So I'm going to show you some cool tricks inside of this. So the first step is actually going to the dashboard and just racking up at least 10,000 tokens, guys. You're going to need at least 10,000 tokens to get started making some passive income with this one website. Now I'm going to show you some cool stuff inside of this. Now once you start doing these short URL links and these PTC ads, which shouldn't take you that long at all to actually get started and getting those 10,000 tokens, then we can also do offer walls. But I know a lot of you guys do not like to do offer walls, because nor myself, just because it takes so long. You have to do surveys, you have to go and do a lot of different stuff for a very small amount of money. So that's something I don't do personally, just because it takes so much time to actually get those points or tokens. Now there's mini games. Now I want to show you some really cool information, guys. So we even have daily rewards right here on this tab, and now you have to complete 10 short URL links, which will give you at least 1,000 tokens, or around there like 500 or 600 tokens for doing just 10 short URL links, which is already almost there to that 10,000 mark already. You're gonna get a free 100 tokens for just completing this offer, and you can do this every single day, guys. Now if you do 20 of those, which would be at least 2,000, I would say, tokens, then you can come over here and you'll get an extra 175 plus that 100 up here. So that's already 300 tokens, and for doing nothing, guys. It's just in a reward. Now if you do 30 of these short URL links, you'll get 250 plus the 175 plus the 100, and so on and so forth, guys. You can just come do this every single day to earn some free tokens and start getting closer to that passive income on this one website. Now this website has been around for quite some time, guys, so this one I'm going to mark as legit for myself. But as any website, guys, they come and then they leave. So I would highly recommend you guys getting started right away for free. So I'd highly recommend you guys getting started as soon as possible so you can start getting some money and some payments from this website before they leave. And I'm not saying they're gonna leave pretty soon. I'm just saying it's better to get some money now than be at the end of the road of this website and get barely anything. So I will leave the links down in the description of this video so you can sign up as soon as possible. Now let's go to this passive method. Once you reach the 10,000 points or tokens on this website, let's come over here to where it says games. Let's go to play games, and then within the play games tab, guys, you're gonna see something just like this. So the cool thing about this is that you can start buying these miners and making it passive, guys. You're gonna need at least 10,000 tokens to get started on buying these miners. Now I'm gonna show you some cool information. So if you come over here to where it says 20 energy, which is 20 in the little energy symbol, you're gonna need 20 energy per hour to run this miner. You're gonna be getting 35 tokens per hour, so you're getting an extra 15 tokens every single hour for doing absolutely nothing, guys. Now the cool thing about this is that you can upgrade these actual GPUs to actually make you more money. So if you come over here to where it says upgrade, look at the difference. So from level 1, 20, you're gonna get 15% profit, or 15 tokens profit. Now if you come over here to the level 2, you're gonna get even more profit. For 40 tokens, you're gonna get at least 70 tokens, or for 40 energy, you're gonna be getting at least 70 tokens. So if we come down here and do the math on the calculator, look at this. So we're gonna do 71 71, take away 39. So if we do that, guys, you're going to be getting 32 tokens profit for doing absolutely nothing every single hour. So the way you can actually get this started is you just come over here to where it says collect, and I'm going to collect my coins right now. So it should be deposited inside of my accounts after we watch this advertisement. So as you can see, guys, we just got through watching the advertisement. Now it said that we already earned that 184 tokens for doing absolutely nothing. Now the next thing you have to do in order to get this started and running is refill it with energy, guys. So as you can see, I got 882 energy right there, and it just filled up my whole GPU with some energy, so you can start collecting. So in the next hour, I'm going to be getting another 35 tokens to actually reinvest and buy another miner. This is going to be the next money making method right here, guys. There is multiple websites that are the same exact thing, that are run by the same exact person. And the reason why I love Moon Bitcoin, Moon Dogecoin, Moon Litecoin, and Moon Dash, and so on and so forth, I'm going to leave all the links down in the description of this video, is because they all have some good money making methods inside of them. Even though it's so simple to make money and just get the random Satoshi or the Satoshis on here, then look, all you got to do is just claim now and then claim it right here, guys. Now as you can see, I just got through claiming the Satoshis on Moon Bitcoin, and I actually got more than what it said I was going to get, and I'm going to show you why. So if we come over here, our claim amount was 14 Satoshis. Now our daily loyalty bonus, since we're coming back for 7 days straight, now if you come back every single day, this number is just going to grow. It's going to be 8%, 9%, all the way up to 100%, guys. So whatever this is, you're going to get 100% more money than whatever this number is going to be. And on top of that, guys, if you have any referrals, you're going to get that percent on top of that. So that's already 104%. And on top of that, guys, you're going to get a mystery bonus of anywhere from 0 to I think 100% bonus mystery. So that's already 200% if you grow this all the way up to 100, and possibly even the referral bonus all the way up to 100, and possibly even get the mystery bonus up 100. That'll be 300% on whatever your claim amount is every single minute, guys. You can come back here, I think every 1 minute or every 5 minutes, and then start claiming more Satoshis plus that 300% on top of that every 5 minutes. This is why I love Moon Bitcoin, Moon Dogecoin, Moon Litecoin, and they're all the same exact thing, guys. So if I come over here, click on claim now, all I gotta do is just fill in this actual bot thing right here. I'm not a bot, and then click on submit, and then it's gonna claim the coins for me. Look how much coins I've just claimed right there, plus the daily loyalty, plus the referral, and plus the mystery bonus, guys. That is more money for me for doing absolutely nothing, and this is almost 100% passive. So if you click on that button at the top right hand corner of this screen right here and you watch that video, I show you how this is all 100% passive and how you can start making money for doing absolutely nothing with these websites. So now let's move on to the next money making website. So this is going to be the next money making method where you can start earning cryptocurrency 100% passive, guys. Now I showed you on this video right here how you can start making money passively with this website. So if you're interested, go over there and check it out. What you can start doing right now is going over there to that video or watching videos right here where it says bits. So if you go to this tab where it says bits, you can come over here and start earning passive money by watching videos and earning bits right here where it says 117. You can do short links and start earning money or bits that way. And what these bits are is they're gonna allow you to start making some money through these cryptocurrencies right here in the right and left hand. It says Bitcoin, XMR, Ethereum, Litecoin, BCH, BGD or DGB. And this, all you got to do is once you start earning some bits right here, as you can see, I have 73 in queue and 7 active that are making me money right now every single minute. But once you have at least 300 bits to start up making some money passively, then you just got to come over here and click on claim once, and it's going to add it to your queue right here. And then you can start earning some Bitcoin, some Satoshis. And the cool thing about this website is that the higher level you get on that certain token, which I'm already on level 6, the more Satoshis you're going to earn per minute for doing absolutely nothing, guys. So if you come over here to where it says open tab or open claim tab, you can see that I'm running this right now. Every single minute that I leave this tab open, I'm going to be earning some cryptocurrency. So right now I have queued claims 18 queued claims for Ethereum Satoshi, and inside of that I'm getting 29 out of 60 claims. So as you can see, the higher levels you get, the more Satoshis you're gonna earn through the claims and queued claims. So every time it reaches a 60, this is gonna go down a notch to like 17, and then another 60, and then 16, and another 60, and 15, and another 60. So you can start earning some decent amount of money with auto faucets right here on the random Satoshi for doing absolutely nothing, guys. And you can withdraw this inside of the wallet, and then within the wallet tab you're gonna scroll down and you can just choose all of these right here to withdraw. Always use these same ones. So it's gonna be Bitcoin right here. So I have a total balance of 2,037 Satoshis in Bitcoin, and I can withdraw this to Express Crypto, Faucet Pay, Coinbase. And I do this at least one time a month just so I can have enough money to actually spend or use in a different method. So I would highly recommend you guys trying out random Satoshi. I'm going to leave the links down in the comment section of this video for every single website I talked about in today's video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.